Good morning, children. Yesterday we completed the story The Hack Driver. Today we will discuss its textual question answers. See, first is when the lawyer reached New Mullion, did Bill has been written in inverted commas because this is not his real name, know that he was looking for Lutkins? When do you think Bill came up with his plan for fooling the lawyer? When the lawyer reached New Mullion, Bill did not know that he was looking for Lutkins, but Bill came up with his new plan of befooling the narrator when he got to know that he had come there looking for Lutkins. Lutkins openly takes the lawyer all over the village. How is it that no one lets out the secret? Can you find other such subtle ways in which Lutkins manipulates the tour? Nobody lets out the secret because he told the narrator to wait outside, and everywhere he himself went inside. So he might have told everyone about his plan, and otherwise also to his when they went to his mother, then also he told that this young man is looking for Lutkins and he is a lawyer, he came from court. So he is mentally preparing everybody that it is important for Lutkins to be saved from this narrator. Why do you think Lutkins' neighbors were anxious to meet the lawyer? Because the lawyer has become the talk of the town. Everybody is talking about him. Everybody is talking about how Lutkins befooled him. Only the neighbors missed watching the lawyer, so they also wanted to meet him. After his first day's experience with the hack driver, the lawyer thinks of returning to New Mullion to practice law. Do you think he would have reconsidered this idea after his second visit? After his first day experience with the hack driver, the lawyer thought that he would return to New Mullion to start his law practice there. Because he found Lutkins' bill or Lutkins very interesting and innocent. But after knowing that the whole village was involved with Lutkins in befooling him, and after knowing that he had become the talk of the town, he would never reconsider his plan of coming there. Do you think the lawyer was gullible? Gullible is a person who believes everyone blindly. Yes, obviously the lawyer was gullible because he believes whatever people were telling him. How could he have avoided being taken for a ride? He could have avoided being taken for a ride by bringing a photograph of Lutkins with him, or by asking somebody else about Lutkins. Do we come across persons like Lutkins only in fiction, or do we encounter them in real life as well? Yes, we encounter such clever people in our real life also. You can give examples from fiction, narrate an incident. So here, see, these 5 questions will be answered in 40-50 words each. They will not take long answers. But here you will write one paragraph about your incident where you have seen a person behaving in a clever manner. Who is a con man or a confidence trickster? Confidence trickster is a person whom we believe, but that person only tricks us. So you will answer these 2 questions. Second question does not require a long answer. Only first question requires a long answer. So do this and happy Diwali. Thank you.